मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
Move from here, Chaitya.
Watch closely.
Where?
Hey, it's me. Today I have one good news and one bad news. So which news you will like to hear first?
You'll be telling the bad news first anyways.
Then listen. The bad news is that two thieves named Chanku and Manku are roaming in your area. The two thieves.
Huh?
Yes, you heard right. Two notorious thieves are roaming around in your area. So be careful. A moment's carelessness can lead it to disaster.
And what is the good news?
Tonight from 8 to 10 p.m., the power in your area will be cut. But the meter will be running.
How is that a good news?
For the thieves, this is the good news, isn't it, Uncle? And now I'll take your leave. Bye-bye, audios with cameraman Glance. This is your reporter, Sannata. Bad news until tonight.
Yay! It's going to be fun. We will play a lot. Yay!
Sannata did say that the power would go out tonight.
Yes, brother. That's why we had dinner very early today. Oh God, there are so many mosquitoes here. Here, the power is out.
And Tapu 6-2.
Hey. Oh, what, Dad? You are still killing mosquitoes only?
Hey, Jeshalal, wait, I'll take it out.
Hey, Tapu, does anyone play with a ball in the dark?
Then what should we play, Dad?
Hey, in our time when the lights went out, we used to play cops and robbers. And we used to play police and thief.
Very good idea, Uncle Bhide. Dad, Grandpa, Uncle Popat, Uncle Hathi, come on. Let's all play cops and robbers together.
Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go. Now, who should the police be afraid of?
I mean,
I will be the policeman, right?
no, I will be the policeman.
No, I will be the policeman.
Hey man, I will be the policeman.
I will be the policeman.
I will be the policeman.
I will.
I will be.
I will.
You all be the robbers and we the kids party will be the cops and catch you.
Yes. And that too red-handed.
Even the police of 11 countries haven't been able to catch us till today.
Why couldn't they catch you?
Yeah, because we haven't done anything wrong till today, brother.
Yeah. Dad, we will count to 10. You all go hide by then. And yes, Uncle, you are not allowed to go outside the society.
Okay, start the count. But you have to count till 10. No cheating.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, no, not yet.
5, 6. Should we count?
Not yet.
9, 10. Here we come. Huh? Let's go, partners. Ready? Yes.
Come quietly. Hey, idiot, hide yourself. Up. Okay. We play hide and seek with people. Today we will commit our third theft here.
Oh, my bag is still half empty. Only after filling it will mission lights out be complete.
Mango, look over there. How the entire society is plunged into darkness to welcome us.
Oh, but the people standing to welcome us are nowhere to be seen, Changu. Hey! Hello! Where are you people?
Oh, you dumbwit. At least light up your brains bulb sometimes.
But where is the light?
Listen very carefully, my son. We are not here for feast, but to steal, to steal.
Oh, so does this mean our feast is ruined?
Now how do I explain this to him? Do one thing, my son. Just follow me, just.
Okay, I understood. Follow me.
Inspector Gogi and Inspector Goli. Yes, sir. We have received a tip that some clever thieves have entered our society, and we have to catch them no matter what.
Look, the people have also come to welcome us.
Listen, you fatty kid. If these people welcome us, it will be difficult to even walk away from here.
Do these people feed so much?
Sure, they do feed, but only kicks and punches. Quickly find a safe place and hide.
Hide?
They are there. Get them.
Hey, don't run, kids. You will get hurt.
Yes, Grandpa. Where did that voice come from? The voice came from there. Let's go there and see. And Inspector Gogi and Goli, you two go check upstairs.
Yes, sir.
Aren't Uncle Hathi and Uncle Popatlal hiding a little backwards? Not a little. They are hiding completely backwards. Inspector Sonu, arrest them. Oh, thieves, thieves! Catch them,
Who are you?
Hey, I am thief. A thief.
I understand. Aren't you that big fatty kid, Mango?
Yes. I am the one, the same. Wow, even the thieves know me now. Hearing this, Changu will be very happy and will praise me.
Hey, I am Changu, and neither I will be happy nor I will give you praise.
Why, Changu?
Because we are playing hide and seek with people when we will commit the third robbery here.
Hey, my sack isn't yet full. Let's hope our mission lights out doesn't remain incomplete.
Come on, get to work.
Oh, wow, a toothbrush. I'll take it. It's been long time since I brushed my teeth. I'll take the paste too.
Stop there! I know you guys are hiding in here. Come on, raise your hands and come out quickly.
And now there's no point in hiding behind the curtains. Come out. We have been caught.
What happened to you, Uncle? Did you fall into flood or what?
Why are you laughing? Huh?
Has this police officer shrunk or have we gone bigger? Hey, turn off the torch, little police. It must be shining in Chango's eyes.
Who are you people?
Changu Mangu. This is Changu and I am Mangu.
Huh? Hey,
The bad news is that two thieves named Changu and Mangu are roaming in your area.
I got it. You guys are the real thieves. Uncle Sanata told about you on TV this morning.
Oh, wow. Your memory is very sharp, kid.
My voice is also very sharp, Uncle. Thief! Thief!
Changu, he snatched our sack. It had all the goods from the previous thefts also.
Hey, stop crying and catch him.
Come on, Uncle, come on! Sometimes Tappu's after the thieves, sometimes the thieves after Tappu. Too much fun! Dad! Grandpa! Uncle Hathi! Everyone come outside! Thieves have entered the society!
Yeah, Dad, yeah, come out quickly. Thieves are in the society. What is this, Dad? You also fell for Tapu's words. Hey, this is his trick to catch us.
Sonu, look!
Hey, where did these kids go after tricking us? Let's go find them. This time, let's take the back route. Aha.
Come on, Uncle! We were waiting for you at the back as well!
Look, is this the rope? Come on, let's climb up with this.
Inspector Gogi, jump! Inspector Goli, jump!
This kid out of it us. How do we snatch the bundle back and complete mission lights out? Let's go!
Our bundle.
You want it? Then come and get it.
Let's go. Oh, wow. What is the smell? Let's eat first.
What are you doing? Perfume, wow. Mango, this time with full caution, okay?
Okay, Changu.
Come on, Tapusina. Next plan.
Changu, save me, save me.
I am behind you. How can I serve you?
In charge. And some of
It was useless coming here.
Oh, these kids have looted our treasure.
Huh? This mosquito is still biting, Dad. Dad, no.
This is cheating, Jetalal. Now we will never play with these kids again.
Oh man, we have been hiding here for so long. But no one came looking for us.
What? Tapu! Hey kids, who are you all playing cops and robbers with? We are all hiding over here.
with real thieves, Dad.
Are there real thieves upstairs? Oh, they will clean out my entire house.
What to do now? How do we catch them?
Don't worry about this, Uncle. Tappus police force has not only caught them, but also recovered all the stolen goods.
Eh?
Take a look at this. And this too.
Look closely.
What is that?
Not me, but these brave kids.
Hi.
Because of whose bravery, 2 cunning thieves have been caught. Cameraman,
With a glance, tell them that ruined their night for ya.
Oh man, a lot of money is being spent. And these people are also taking a lot of time. What to do? What to do? Hey man, what have you done? Hey man, use this color carefully, hey man.
What are you doing, uncle?
Hey Tapu, we are putting on paint. In our time, we used to do it like this.
Oh, really? At our place, we wear pants like this.
Hey, not pants, paint, paint.
Oh! Hey, this way it will take 2 years to paint. Tapu can do anything. Wait and watch. Oh. Ah. Now the fun begins.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Huh? Grandpa!
Hey, Tapuda, what are you doing down there? Look at the society. It's been painted so beautifully.
Oh, what happened?
Hey, brother, nobody's home. Come tomorrow. Ah. Oh my God, my face got painted along with it. What should I do? Hey, these days even the soaps are becoming duplicates. Wow, today I even bathed from inside.
Oh, this chapati didn't puff up at all. My mother says the chapati should be puffed up. 1 second, I will go puff it up right now.
Oh wow, Daya, you did wonders, didn't you? Hey, Jatiya!
Oh my, goodness me.
Dad, what happened?
Grandpa?
Hey, Tapuda, look at this. Someone has put permanent color on my face.
Tapu can do anything. I will fix it right now.
I'll be right back.
Oh my God! Oh, Daya! What, Tapu? What is this daughter-in-law doing?
Hey, why are you guys rubbing the paint can?
Nonsense! This is not a can. This is my dad.
Do one thing, show him a horror film. When he sweats from inside, the color will also come off.
Ah. No. No. I will not watch a horror film. I know a Dr. Kabir Singh who can fix Dad's face. I know.
Okay, then let's take uncle with us.
Oh my goodness, where did the car go?
Oh, in a hurry, I forgot to tell you one thing.
What now?
I don't even know how to drive a car.
Hey, Popatan, even if you don't know how to drive, just go quickly.
How fast is this okay, uncle?
Nonsense. Get in the car, man. Hey, sit. Hey, be careful, man. Hey, be careful, man. Hey, Popat, hit the brakes. Brake. Hey, Pow, pow, vada pav. Hey, doctor, what are you eating?
This is a lollipop.
Is there another one?
Doctor, sir, he got colored with paint. Please fix his face. For plastic surgery, you have 4 options. A bucket, a mug, a table, or a chair. Then I think a bucket will be fine.
What is this? Hey, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh. Hey, what happened? I can't see anything.
Oh wow! The paint on Dad's face is gone, and a new face is on. Hello! Hello!
Today's breaking news. Look closely. This is Bucket Man, who has absconded after stealing 10 to 12 mobile
Oh
phones.
my God! Before the police arrive, let's run away with Dad.
I will shake the world. Bucket Man is here. There's a 10 lakh reward on him. Look at this.
Oh no, the doctor put his face on him.
I think something is wrong.
Yes, I'll follow him, sir.
Hey, Popatlal, be careful, brother. Be careful.
What should I do? I don't understand anything.
Hey, how are you driving? Popat! Hey, Popat, what are you doing? Hey! Slowly, slowly. Hey, someone do something! Hey, someone do something! Dad is slipping behind.
Oh no! Fulfill our demands! Fulfill our demands! Fulfill our demands! Fulfill our demands! Hey, brother, hey, move! Move! Oh, please, please! Oh, no, 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 no! Save me! Oh.
Someone will die today,
Run,
Popatlal!
run, run,
Hey,
run.
someone will die!
Who's it?
It's confirmed. Something is fishy.
Hey, somebody save me!
Tapu's dead!
Hey, Vinay! Hey, Popatlal!
Ah!
where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, brother, can you tell me where my family went? The police are after me.
We are the police, Bucket Sinha.
Hey, he ran away. Hey, don't let him go. Something is fishy. Huh? Hey!
Hey, Jatiya!
Dad! Hey, Dad! Up! Up!
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Hey, look, there he is.
Oh, I'm coming.
Hey, why am I not going up? Looks like I've stepped on a treadmill.
Oh my goodness me!
Huh? Huh?
Hey, Tapu! Run, Tapu!
Hey, stop it! Stop it! My nose. I told you, something is fishy.
Hey, run!
Let's go, Papatlal!
Catch them!
Doctor sir, doctor, please listen. We need to change his face urgently. Hey, what is this? I only know that the samosa has 3 corners. I used to be a bakery owner.
Look, there is no doctor in the whole city. Even if a snake charmer wears a white coat, hangs a snake around his neck, he will still get the surgery done by him.
Look, I will do plastic surgery. You have to choose 1 out of 4. A bucket, a mug, a chair or a table.
Right?
No, a plate or a bottle.
Put the bottle. It's small. It will be cheap.
Okay.
Hey, doctor, what are you doing? I am safe.
Here you go, your new dad.
How am I looking?
Presenting today's biggest breaking news, Mr. Shetty, the world's most dangerous criminal. Mr. Shetty, whom the police of the country have surrounded.
Oh my goodness me!
Mr. Shetty, you can't escape now!
Dad, first you were the city's criminal. Now you have become a world-level criminal.
We have surrounded this clinic from all 5 sides.
But sir, there are only 4.
We have surrounded it from above as well, na?
Hey, the police are roaming outside. How will we take that outside, huh?
Hey, let's go quickly. The ambulance is ready.
Huh? Idea!
Boy, who stole my vehicle?
See? Another crime. He is a criminal after all. Huh? I have seen him somewhere. Hey, these are the same people who stole your Jeep.
Boy, I won't spare them. Hey, stop, hey!
Hey, sorry, Dad has the face of some criminal. The police are behind us, the police.
Hey, Jetha, I will help, I swear.
Good. Move away, move. The patient is very serious. Move. What? Yes. Hey, this is the boss.
I'm safe.
You are safe here. Let's go inside. Two bosses?
Hey, hey, Dad, run!
Mortal Shetty is caught, and his hideout is found too.
Come, Dad, come. Dad, wait, Dad! Get here, what are you doing? Hey, Dad, we have to quickly remove this face of yours and put on your real face. Otherwise, the police will catch you, Dad.
Let's go. Go on.
Hey,
Check here. It's okay. Do now. Do.
Now what is this? Hey, take it down. Oh, wow. Dad has become completely original.
If hello.
Hey, officer, we didn't steal anything. No.
Hey, we came here to say thank you to you. You people helped the police to catch a dangerous criminal. That's why.
Good. Bring the reward.
If hello.